By now you've defined your business. You know what you're offering and what type of online business model you'll be using. Your next step is determining your budget. You don't need to spend heaps of money on expensive and often unnecessary tools and services. This is especially true since there are loads of inexpensive and even free tools available for running a successful online business. I've created a list of these tools which you can find under the lecture resources.
There are two areas where you are going to be spending your money. You will have initial startup investments and continuous operational costs. In each of those areas, you will encounter three different types of costs: fixed, recurring, invisible. When you buy a computer for running your online business, that is a fixed cost. Your monthly hosting bill is an example of a recurring investment. Time is your biggest invisible cost.
All of these invisible costs are potentially the deadliest to the success of your business. That is because business owners, online and off, don't always factor in invisible costs into their budget. I won't let you make that mistake. The beauty of an internet business is its scalability. You can start your business with this simple model and invest more capital when you're able and willing to do so. Now, before you rush out to buy a domain name and shop around for hosting, make a smart time investment by performing the next activity. Thereafter, I'll introduce you to proven web tools that allow you to launch, manage, and grow your business on even the smallest of budgets.